want the court to critically look at this issue. Namely, can government just wake overnight and depossess you of your property? If government is taking over your property on public riding interests, are you entitled to compensation? If you are entitled to compensation, is it a private matter between you and government? Is your family not entitled to know what you are being paid? Is your not entitled to know what you are being paid? Is it the same amount that you are paying a property owner of a plot that you are?
As I stand as an in-house counsel to the foreign investors of Nigeria network, I still reiterate the fact that there is no formal notice of revocation. Secondly, no compensation had been paid.
Have talks broken down, or is there room for further negotiation or settlement?
There has been several letters written to the Honorable Minister. He is not saying anything. He is using power. And the power must be constructively used, judicially and judiciously used. And that is exactly why we are aggrieved. Last week we were in front of the TBS there at the Federal Ministry of Works at the Tafawa Balewa Square. The same protest came up, but thank God our lawyers, our external solicitors are already in court. And because they are in court, we are ready to follow the due process of the law. But what I must say to the press and to fellow Nigerians is this: an injury to one is an injury to all. Today, it's happening to the Foreign Investors Network of Nigeria. Tomorrow, it could happen to your father. It could happen to your own people. So we must stand together for the foreign investors who had inputted over 250 million US dollars into what a government has just decided to demolish. In fact, they are still threatening the demolition. This morning I was in court. It was obvious. If you are saying that the court was saying, can I grant an order for status quo? They are saying they cannot confirm. They are saying they cannot confirm. If you know that what you are doing is good and you are not going to tamper the rest, you are not going to tamper the property, why don't you want them to put it on status quo? That once a matter is already before the court, it becomes lis pendis. That is to say, all parties should stay off. It means that they have what we call an hidden motive. An hidden motive to go ahead to continue the destruction of this particular property. Peradventure, the court is going on a vacation. Right now, there is no single court order that is saying that they shouldn't destroy the property. We want Nigerians to tell them, the men of the press, who happens to be the fourth rim of government, should go out there and tell all Nigerians, tell the minister, tell the federal government, tell the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria that this matter is already in court. And nobody within the period of the vacation, which is starting any moment from now, and the return date is now 27th of November. It's a long time duration. Minister, Engineer David Imayi should not tamper the rest, should not tamper the property. He must know that the matter is already in court, and he should stay aloof and wait for the determination of the court. And I know that our external counsels who are already in court will do the needful to peradventure ensure that a further application is put before the vacation judges. I know that the federal government will tread the path of the law. The matter is in court. Everybody should stay aloof and await the decision of the court. On this note, thank you so much.
So the matter came up for the first time today, and all parties were represented in court. My Lord did not make an official pronouncement or an order, but my Lord gave an admonition to all parties to maintain status quo, not to destroy the rest, so there won't be any more further demolition, and that parties should take steps not to tamper with the subject matter of the suit. So I don't want to comment further because the matter is already before the court, and we respect whatever my Lord says.
Who are the defendants? Please, I itemize them in the order that they are in the processes.
Okay. The Honorable Attorney General of Federation, Minister of Justice, the Honorable Minister of Works, the Control of Works Lagos, high-tech construction company, and of course the plaintiff is Foreign Investors Network of Nigeria.
So who has not been served?
The person is the Controller of Works Lagos, because according to what the bailiff said, he has gone to their office in Lagos. They were told to go to Abuja. They went to Abuja. They told him to come to Lagos, but that has been regularized by their council. The council is in court, so I've spoken with him, and he said he will regularize such.
So what are we doing on the next date? When is the next date and what are we doing?
27th of November. It's probably for hearing or mention. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you.